Hi there, and welcome to the first video on my new YouTube channel. My name is Andreas Ezelius, and I'm a 3D artist working in the video game industry since 2007. Here's a short introduction to who I am and what kind of content you can expect from this YouTube channel. I started dabbling with computer graphics in the late 90s, where I mostly modded games like Quake and Half-Life. This interest grew into a passion for 3D modeling and rendering in the early 2000s. In 2007, I graduated from the University of Skövde with a bachelor degree in game development, and that resulted in an internship at EA DICE in Stockholm. I've been working there for about 14 years now, and I've been part of making games such as Mirror's Edge, Battlefield, Need for Speed, and Star Wars Battlefront. In my spare time, I like to free myself from the restrictions of video game art and focus more on developing my skills when it comes to high poly modeling, texturing, and realistic rendering. I am mostly passionate about modeling vehicles, so that has naturally become my niche in the industry. In the last couple of years, I've made several long projects, ranging from 200 to 400 hours each, where I model, texture, render, and sometimes design my own vehicles. As some of you may have already seen, I've made it into a habit to continuously share my work in progress images on Instagram, Behance, and Facebook. I've had great response doing this, and many people seem to like following along on my journeys. This has been great motivation for me to keep up the hard work doing these long projects. I often get asked how I do this and how I do that, and I always try to be open and answer all the questions that I can. But there's only so much you can get across in words. So I thought it would be a good idea to start this YouTube channel to document my process and share my knowledge in the future. I will share work in progress videos of longer projects and hopefully other content related to computer graphics like tutorials and Q&A sessions. Nothing is written in stone at the moment, and I can't promise a consistent upload rate or a set day of the week right now. With that said, welcome, and I hope you can find my future content useful in any way. Stay tuned for my next video where I will reveal my first project on the channel. And yeah, it is a car. Follow the links in the description if you want to check out my projects. Until next time, take care and bye bye.